Alu-Rex is revolutionizing the industry with its latest gutter innovation, the DoublePro Microfiltration Continuous Hanger. The offset holes in the two aluminum screens are the perfect filter, making this gutter guard the most advanced on the market. With the DoublePro's Eclipse technology, debris stays on top of the guard and is swept away by the wind. Smaller particles move through the smart filter and are washed away by rainwater. The suction created by the two screens ensures optimal drainage. Alu-Rex's innovative Vortex technology draws water to the lower screen with its wider holes. The front rollback lip sends excess rainwater back into the gutter for a truly high-volume drainage system. The winter shield stops ice from warping the gutter and keeps the water flowing through in summer and winter. DoublePro is the only gutter guard with a 360-degree lifetime warranty against clogging and warping. With that kind of protection, you can let your gutters take care of themselves. Alu-Rex, once and for all, it's the right choice.